H2K Infosys provides world-class online IT training, staffing, and software testing solutions to customers worldwide. H2K Infosys supports 100% job-oriented training, hands-on project work, cloud test lab, resume preparation and review, mock interviews, robust syllabus. One-time pay, lifetime access to live classes and videos. H2K Infosys has won the trust of thousands of students worldwide. For free demo class, visit h2kinfosys.com.
Okay, so these IDEs help us to create, compile, as well as run our programs easily than the usual approach of creating them via Notepad or any of the text editors. Okay, we can create via text editors also, but the problem is you need to compile, run via command prompt, and that is a little tedious job for especially for a newbie. So that way we don't use them. So what these IDEs are for is, these are softwares where they will allow you to create programs, compile, as well as the run, as I said. Okay, now how many are there? Many are there actually. For example, if you see, this is what we are using is Eclipse, which is a free edition of our IDE. Now we do have IntelliJ. Many people might at least know JetBrains IntelliJ. Okay, so that is also one of the widely used Java IDE where we can create actually Java programs even then. So if you see the way how these works, almost similar. Okay, almost similar. Only thing is it is from different company. You might have a little bit different UI. So if you're already using IntelliJ, no problem, guys. You could continue that one also. IntelliJ thing is actually community edition is free, but if you want to have the pro edition or professional edition, it is charged. So that way I'm not using IntelliJ for that reason. We could use community edition, that is sufficient for us though, but actually this Eclipse allows us to do everything free. So there is no special editions like pro edition or community edition and all. So that way we are using Eclipse. If you are using IntelliJ already, you are welcome to use. Similarly, you do have one from Oracle, okay, which was from Sun Microsystems, was JDeveloper. Okay, that is one of the IDE. Okay, so you could use anything, no problem. Any of these IDEs can be used. Now you may ask me, okay, is it only for Java or other programs also? Ideally, these are created for Java, but they have add-ons where you can create other programs too. For example, even in Python, you can create programs using that add-ons. Okay, not only that, few of the languages have their own IDs also. For example, if you take Python, there is a one called, which is very famous, it is PyCharm. Okay, PyCharm is an IDE for Python programming. So similar like how we can create Java here, similarly same. For example, if you see other programming languages like C, C++, you can use even Eclipse also. There are separate IDEs also, like that everything. If you see the Microsoft, they do have their Visual Studio, whatever it is, right? So all these are the different IDEs. What they help is to basically create, compile, and run our programs easily. Okay, as soon as you start, what you see is this screen where it will ask you, okay, choose a directory or a workspace. Here, see, choose a directory as workspace. Now let us understand what is workspace. Workspace is nothing but a folder where you want to store all your programs, and that folder will be used as a base for all your projects, programs, whatever you create. Okay, normally what happens is it picks the workspace from our current directory or working directory or user directory usually. Okay, user directory, but normally don't prefer it to be under user directory. Reason being, if suppose if the user directory is corrupted or if a user is deleted accidentally by someone, you will be losing the data. Then that what you do, you create a directory in your local system, okay, and then use it for the other purposes. Okay, so you can easily store it, so your copy is retained always. You can open the same project every time whenever you want. Not only that, even different users can access the same. Okay, even different users can access the same, remember that. Okay, so that way it is. Now if you see, for example, I do already have a folder in my local. So if you have D drive or E drive, whatever be the drive you want, you can do. Otherwise, you can also use the browse and then go to the folder, whatever you want. For example, here I want to create a new folder. Let's say in my workspace, I'm creating a new folder. Okay, for example, here 8 p.m. Okay, this is May 24. Let's say, for example, see this. Okay, select the folder. Of course, it is 8:30. That's fine. I just want to make it as a 8 only. Okay, so see this here. Select this folder. This is empty folder now, right? That means this folder I want to use it as my workspace. So I want to create all my projects, programs, everything under this folder. So next time whenever you come, right, it automatically shows you this. You can select it. Okay, now launch. Okay, CJ Bindra. Am I missing anything between introduction class? CJ, when did you attend introductory class? Yesterday or last week?
Yesterday, yeah, that was just
Ah,
briefly was
yesterday means you have missed actually this documentation and all. You do one thing, mail the support team to give you the video links. Okay?
how many classes I have missed between from today and between the
No, same
introduction
thing.
to
Whatever we discussed, only we had class. Only thing is we had installation instructions given. That's it. Okay?
okay.
See, yesterday we had the class, right? So same thing we discussed. Only thing is how to install Java, Eclipse were discussed. And as I shared in the link here, that link contains the document. Yeah, Revati, for you also. Yesterday class not for everyone, guys. Whoever did not attend any previous introductions only, it was for it was for yesterday class. Others who already attended not required. Remember. So that is the reason we did not send invites to everyone yesterday. Okay. Okay. There is an update to my Eclipse, guys. Let me install. Mine is little older version, guys. Okay. Kriti, I already pinged in the chat installation link. Kriti, confirm me if you got installation link. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now if you see, just expand it or maximize it. And now if you see, this is the one. So what see our IDE at the initial phase, it looks like that as soon as you launch a fresh IDE. Okay. Latest version, you may see better UI. Okay. Ignore it. So now if you see here, whatever it is telling, okay, welcome to the Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So basically this is for Java developers who are going to create Java projects and programs. Okay.
Hi, Srinivas.
Yeah.
I had a question like when you launched the Eclipse, you got a prompt to create the workspace, correct? But
Yeah.
when I launched the Eclipse, it takes me directly to the same.
Was it already installed?
Yes, I had already
Ah,
installed it.
ah,
So as I
that is the
launched,
reason. In that case, what happens is you can go to preferences.
okay,
Okay. And in general, I think, just a second, let me see that.
okay,
Uh, General. Okay. See, just say restore to defaults.
okay,
Okay, it
like, okay,
automatically picks the settings which are default, so that way you will see. Okay,
okay, okay. Thank you.
yeah, otherwise there is one also here. Go to appearance here.
Um,
Okay, then it will show somewhere you need to see ask for workspace while launch. Okay, so that will be there. Launch. Ah, yeah, give it defaults, that is better, easy. Okay,
okay,
there will be
thank,
option that I'll tell later. Let's not waste time here. Okay,
okay,
get give defaults. Okay, so that's it.
okay.
Okay, somebody already pinged the again. Okay, that's fine. So if you see, this is the one. Now this is telling us, okay, it is clearly telling us, okay, this is for Java developers. Yep, we are going to create Java programs only. So fine. Now if you see here, we do see many options like review ID, configuration if you want to change, but right now don't change any configuration. Whatever way the configurations we required, we will do it later. Okay, right now we don't require. And create hello world application. You want to create your own simple application hello world and create new Java project. Check out projects from Git. Git is a actually a shared repository where it is available. We could even use that also, but this will come as a separate topic for us. Right now I'm not going to really bother. Import existing projects if any existing projects are there. Okay, launch the Eclipse marketplace. Marketplace means actually where you see other add-ons. As I said, for example, if you want to create Python programs in Eclipse, you need to have a Python add-on. So like that we will see in the marketplace. Already existing file you can open, but right now all these are fine. What we require is we need to create a new Java project. Reason being, we want to create a project and we want to add few more programs under that particular project. So choose this option. Okay, and now give the project name. If you see, it will say project name. Use default location means, see, this is the location where I created my workspace. If this project don't want to be under your workspace, you can change. Okay, but I given default location because the same workspace I've opened from the start menu, right? So that is where. Now give the project name. For example, here I give Java Basics is the project name. That's it. What you need to see is check whether it is picking your Java and 17, because this is the Java you installed, right? So it is picking Java 17. Okay, if you are Java 11, fine, it is. But actually, if you see the latest versions of Eclipse, by default, even you don't have Java 17 installed, it will install because it requires minimum 17, I believe. Okay, so whatever it is, fine. But ensure that you have the Java SE here. Okay, so rest of the things ignore for now. So keep as it is and say finish. No need to go to the next also, guys. Just say finish. That's it. So if you see now a blank project, that opening screen has welcome screen has been done. Now you see a blank project is created. If you see, this is how it looks like. What it is left side pane, whatever you see here, it is called package explorer. That means it shows you what all the projects you have, what are the packages you create, what are all the programs you create. Okay, don't worry what is a package, I'll explain everything. And then here, this is where actually our code will be showing. Right now it is empty. Reason being, we don't have any program created. We just created a blank project name. Okay, but we don't have any programs created. Okay, so that way. And here you will see normally compilation errors or any of the errors or any of the problems in our programs, you will see here. And task list will tell you actually what all the tasks available. Is there anything? Actually speaking, this is not required for us very much. If you don't want this, you can ignore also, it is up to you. But I'm just making this little bit minimized. So choose this and expand wherever you want. Even this one also, let our code be a better one, bigger one. Okay, that's it. Fine. Now we created the project, but how do I create a my program? Okay, see this here. Just expand the project. You could see here what is the Java it is currently using. So it is using Java edition 17. That's fine. Then go to source or SRC. Source is the folder where we normally keep our programs or source code. Okay, that's it. Fine. Now if you see here, you will see module info. So this module info will be actually will be created whenever you're creating a new Java project. See this here. Uncheck this. If you uncheck this, this won't come. Okay, uncheck this while you create. But even you don't uncheck also, no problem. What you do, just remove that guy from here. Right now our source folder is also blank. Then can we add programs under it? Yes, we can add. However, there is one thing we need to create is package. What is package? For now you assume that package is a folder. Don't worry, package is coming as a separate topic for us. Okay, but for now you assume that package is a folder. Now you may ask me, okay, The workspace also you said folder, package also you are telling folder, correct? Workspace means where you want to keep all your Java projects together in a folder. Not only one project, you can keep multiple projects. But package under project is a folder where you create your programs. Okay, only programs. So that way we need to create a package. For example, here I can create a package here. See, even you don't create a package, it falls under default. Okay, default. So even you don't create a package, but right now I create package. For example, here, what is the package name? Yeah, we can say it is a parent-child relation. Parent is a project here. Our package is a subfolder under the main project. Okay, so that way you can think for now. Okay, now for example, under Java projects, right? So I'm going to create a package. What is the package you want? Okay, so anything we can create. We can create any name. Normally here there is a rule. What it is your package names must be in lowercase. Remember, your package names must be in lowercase. And if you could see the project name, my project name starts with uppercase and then lowercase. Okay, and then there are two strings, means another string in uppercase. Java basics, if you see, J uppercase, B uppercase. Okay, so that way we can create for the projects names must not be in lowercase. Okay, project name must start in uppercase and then usually follow the notation. But here our package name must be in lowercase. Yes, there can be multiple projects in packages, multiple packages in project created, that we will discuss later. So for now, let's say this is the one. For example, I want to create this as, okay, anything. What do you want to keep it? Any name? Suggest a good name. You can create default also, which is a default package. Even you don't create it, that will be done. Or let me create actually Java basics, right? So for example, I will create this as variables or variable and data type. That is the topic we are going to create, discuss. So that way, where and data type is the package. For example, finish. Now you see a package has been created, and package you will see a kind of a icon where it is kind of a small table. It will show 4 rows, I mean 4 columns table kind. Okay, so that is a package. Now I want to create my Java program. First one is, as everybody know in this universe, hello world. Okay, how do we create a Java program? Very simple. Because you want to keep your program in that particular package, so choose the package. You can create from here also, no problem, from the source folder where it will goes to default package. But choose the package, for example, variable and data type, and now say class. This is where we can create our program easily, class. So now here it opens the wizard or pop-up for the class. Now what it is telling, you're under a package called var and data type, and this is your source folder name, project name, source folder name, and what is the name you want to give for your class. And remember, class name starts with uppercase character. Okay, and we follow the lowercase followed by. If you have multiple strings, again same as I shown you Java basics, right? So Java is J uppercase, A lowercase. Similarly, basics is B uppercase. Like this, we need to choose even for the class. But remember, your packages don't have any uppercase. We can create, but that's not a good practice. Anyhow, that time we will discuss in detail about that. So right now, I want to create, for example, let's say hello world, right? Hello world space world. Remember, spaces are not allowed. Okay, you cannot use spaces in our any of the programming, be it package name, be it class name, be it project name. Spaces are not allowed, and you should not use the spaces also. Okay, so hello world, simple. Now don't worry about all these, whatever it is we will be learning whenever we require. So just say Finish. Now you see a word called package. What is the package name this particular program is in? And then public class hello world. So why this class is created? Remember, Java is a object-oriented programming language. Object-oriented programming language always deals with classes. Okay, Lavanya question, can we use special characters? Yes, there are few special characters. You can use something like underscore, but many other special characters like question mark, hyphen, those are not allowed. You could use underscore easily, normally, and dollar also you could use, I think, but not every special character. Usually underscore is the one which we will use along with the class names or package names or variable names. We should not use all the special characters. There are special characters which are allowed, is easy to understand, is underscore. Okay, that way. Fine. It may be visible small to you. Let me change the preferences. So go to appearance, editors. Appearance, yeah, appearance, and then go to where is my sorry, editors, yeah, text editors. Now choose colors and fonts. Choose the bigger size. If you see here text font currently is at 10, right? Currently is at 10. So what I'm going to do, double click on that, okay, or edit. Either way you do, text, edit. Okay, now currently this is the font as well as the size. If you want to change the font, you can change as well. Okay, so for example, let me put it, if it is there, C Calibri, for example, and now I want to make it light regular. I don't want any bold, and size will be 14, bigger one. Now you see, is it better? Or you want little more bigger?
Yeah, it's better.
It's better, Srinivas, actually.
Let me made
It's
one
good.
more, 16. Okay, or even this one also we could change. Default I will keep as is. Now, okay. Okay, fine. So why we have classes? Because Java is a programming language. Every program you create as a class. Don't worry about that. That we will discuss later. Okay. Then what is this public class hello world? What I do with this? No, you need to write your program within it now. What is the program? You just want to print. Okay. You just want to print. What is that print we need to take care? Okay. So in Java, to run a program in class, we must create a method called public static void main. Public static void main followed by arguments or parameters, what we call, that's it. This method is required to run any program in Java. Okay, to run any program in Java, this method is required. Don't worry about what is a method, what is a class. Here we will discuss everything in detail. Okay, now I want to print, say hello world to the user, because this is first program. Okay, how do we print in Java is system dot out dot println. Don't worry about this, what I'm writing. We will be discussing everything. Okay, so we want to ensure whether it is working properly, at least for our programs to create. Yahoo. Okay, that's it. Simple. This is a simple Java program. where you just display this is our hello world program. Simple. That's it. So now if you see, save this guy, that is mandatory. Now you want to really run it because you need to check whether really working or not, right? So whenever you don't see, now you don't see any errors. Now you may say, ask me one thing, okay, why this syntax is system dot out dot println and within double quotes you have written Yahoo, this is my word. Don't worry, we will discuss everything in detail. Okay, now let me quickly explain what is this system means. System is a class in Java, which is a default class available with Java, where you can use to read or write something to from your console to read or from your console to write. Okay, out means it is a writing, in means it will be reading. Okay, then print a line. Println means print line. Okay, what line you want to print? This is the message in the line, please print this message. That's what you are telling to your Java. Now what Java does is whenever it runs, it find everything proper, no syntax errors if you see. So for example, if there is a syntax error, normally you'll see this here, error. Okay, error. You can't run this guy because it is already in error. So for example, if you miss one double quote, it will. Now it is clear. Now let us run. How do we run? Very simple. See this here. You can run hello world.java or right click, run as Java application. Simple. Either way, both are fine. See, done. It has compiled and it has run. It's actually created. Hello, this is my Yahoo. This is my first Java program. Hello world. Simple. Okay, so this is what is your Eclipse does. What it is, you can easily create a program, compile and run here itself. You don't need to use any other methodologies like create your program in Eclipse or in any of the notepad and go to command prompt and compile that, run there, not required. Okay, so this is why we need IDEs. Okay, easy to create programs. Clear? That's it guys. Now if you see this, that means your installation is successful, both Java and Eclipse. Even you are able to do programs now. Clear?
Yes,
Yes.
Sri.
Okay,
Yes.
that's it. Now I'll stop with this. Let's go to the document. Now let's start with the understanding what is programming language, why Java, all this. Okay. Okay. So whoever not got this document, I already sent link in the chat, guys. Okay, please take it from there. And maybe by Friday class, what I do, I will take all your email IDs. I will maintain a group and I will keep sending you the programs, even any updated doc. I think whatever I had might not be updated doc for you, but this one I will send it to you once I take all your email IDs. Why I'm waiting is these 2 days again few people will join. Okay, so just to give them the time. So by Friday I will collect all your emails and I'll start sending programs, everything. Okay.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I've been able to follow with this video because I started 5 minutes late, so I didn't get a chance to find out how to download the two programs, the Java and so
No. Oh, okay. I'm giving you the link for the materials. Okay. To install Java and this program, just check it.
okay. Also, how will I be able to rewatch this video and yesterday's
Yeah.
video?
So send mail to support team. They will be sending you the link as well as the password. Okay.
Can I do that? Can I do that on WhatsApp?
Yes, anything you do them, you mail them. Okay. So
Okay.
tell that 8:30 p.m. Srinivas class, we need a link. Okay. So they will be sending. Okay.
Thank you.
Problem
Thank
is
you.
link I cannot share. Unfortunately, I don't have control over the videos. Okay. So that is the reason I cannot share them.
Okay. Okay.
Only support team, because this recording also will not be done at my local machine. It automatically goes to cloud.
You can do through
And
WhatsApp. I did that. I received the email from them right away.
yeah, and don't paste if anybody got the link and password, guys, don't paste it because it may be different for everybody. Okay, so only support team can generate that for you. Okay, remember that. So don't paste your link and password here, guys. Okay, any other questions before I move on to the topic, guys?
Yeah, I have one question.
Yeah,
We did map the jar files before that program, correct?
we did.
We did map the jar files in Eclipse before writing this program.
No need to map the jar file, right? See, you already installed Java. By default, whenever you are creating the project, it has taken